Columela, Divina, Castillo De Canena, Iliada, Corto, Picual, Venta del Baron, Nuez de Prado, Great Value, Zoe, Kirkland Signature, Whole Foods Market, Barilla Group, Bariani, Special Selection, Pompeian Inc., Cima di Mola, Partanna, Lungarotti, Cladivm, Mantova, Iliada Kalamata, Rag.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.